Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. So we just saw that fish get cut up. I've been making a few videos with that salmon. We're using this nice big piece here. What we've got is simply fried fish in some oil. Then we made a lovely but very simple sweet and sour sauce. If you're wondering what this stuff is around the edge, it's pickled ginger, which is absolutely delicious. Let's go and do it. Okay, so as you can see, we've got this piece of fish now, this salmon. Check it out there. What we're going to do, really simply, this is very simple, this one. We're going to fry this in some oil, cook it really nicely, then we're going to make a separate, really nice tangy sauce to pour over it. So like I say, super easy. Now what I've got here is I've got a corn oil or a sunflower oil or some kind of neutral oil you need. And I've got in there 2 centimeters maybe, or maybe like an inch, maybe like that. And very simply, we're going to drop our fish in. And because it's really quite thick, this one, it's like you know, a nice thick piece, I'm going to cook it really gently for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. So nice and kind of low, as you can see. We don't want it raging. I'm going to flip it over. So easy. Just a little tip while we're here is that when you put your fish in, it may well, usually does, stick. Now what you mustn't do is try and move it. Just leave it and it will naturally release itself like this one has. That was sticking firm as anything just a moment ago. Okay, let's turn it over. I can see it's nice and crispy there. And again on the other side, but you can see we've got a beautiful crispy skin. That's what we want. And like I say, this is going to stick again. That's stuck already, so just leave it and it will release itself. Okay, beautiful, and it's released itself. Just going to do the sides just for a minute or so. So turn it on its side, and then I'm going to do the other one as well. Okay, off goes the heat. As you can see, I've done both sides now. We've got a lovely, nice crispy piece of salmon. We're going to set that aside. That's going to be cooked beautifully all the way through. Like I say, we've done it nice and slow. We can move on and make this really easy sauce that we're going to pour. Okay, so our fish is done there, as you just saw. We're now going to make an insanely quick and easy, but very tasty, sweet and sour sauce. So let's just take a look here. I've got some garlic. I've got like 2 teaspoons of garlic there chopped. And then these are equal amounts, these 4. They're about ½ a cup each. Vinegar, soy, I'm using a light soy, ketchup, and here I've got a Sriracha, which is a kind of sweeter or milder hot sauce. It's not that hot. Really simply, we're going to get back to the pan, remove the oil, get all of those guys in. It's going to be done in like 2 minutes. Okay, so the same pan, and what I've done is I've reduced the oil down by 90%, so just a little bit of oil in there. Nice kind of fishy flavour. Heat's on, we're going to drop in our garlic. And if you wanted, you could be chucking a bit of ginger in here as well, but I like it just with the garlic, because we're going to add some pickled ginger on top at the end. So it's just changing colour. Very simply, we're going to go soy sauce, vinegar, equal amounts, Sriracha, or a mild chili, and then the ketchup, in it goes. Like I say, all equal parts. We're going to cook this for another 60 to 90 seconds. We're going to pour that over our fish. Absolutely delicious. Okay, so we've got our fish now in a serving plate. Here's our sauce. I've just put it in there so it's just easier for me to pour, and over it goes. Fantastic. Really, really, really beautifully sticky, sweet and delicious. And like I said, I've just got some pickled ginger that we're just going to pop around the sides and on top. That's a lovely flavour to go in there. And that is it. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon just below. And we'll see you soon. Lots of love.